Welcome to Hot News Network. We bring you the latest celebrity, sports, business, and financial news. Let's get going with the hot news for today.
A self-described gangster who police and prosecutors say masterminded the shooting death of Tupac Shakur in Las Vegas in 1996 made his first public appearance since his arrest last week on a murder charge. Dwayne Keefe D. Davis, age 60, was arrested Friday during an early morning walk near his home in suburban Henderson. A few hours later, a grand jury indictment was unsealed in Clark County District Court charging him with murder. Grand jurors also voted to add sentencing enhancements for the use of a deadly weapon and alleged gang activity. If Davis is convicted, that could add decades to his sentence. Davis, who wore a dark blue jail uniform, was scheduled to be arraigned on the charge Wednesday, but the hearing was cut short after he asked District Judge Tiara Jones to postpone the hearing while he retains counsel in Las Vegas. Jones rescheduled the arraignment for October 19. Los Angeles-based attorney Eddie Fale told the Associated Press in a brief phone call after the hearing that he is Davis's longtime personal attorney and is helping him find a Nevada lawyer. "I have worked with him for more than 2 decades, Fale said. But at this point I do not have a comment." Davis denied a request from the Associated Press for an interview from jail where he's being held without bond. Davis had been a long-known suspect in the case, and publicly admitted his role in the killing in interviews ahead of his 2019 tell-all memoir, Compton Street Legend. "There's one thing that's for sure when living that gangster lifestyle," he wrote. "You already know that the stuff you put out is going to come back. You never know how or when, but there's never a doubt that it's coming." Davis's own comments revived the police investigation that led to the indictment, police and prosecutors said. In mid-July, Las Vegas police raided Davis's home, drawing renewed attention to one of hip-hop music's most enduring mysteries. Prosecutors allege Shakur's killing stemmed from a rivalry and competition for dominance in a musical genre that, at the time, was dubbed gangsta rap. It pitted East Coast members of a Bloods gang sect associated with rap music mogul Marion Suge Knight against West Coast members of a Crips sect that Davis has said he led in Compton, California. Tension escalated in Las Vegas the night of September 7, 1996, when a brawl broke out between Shakur and Davis's nephew, Orlando Baby Lane Anderson, at the MGM Grand Hotel Casino following a heavyweight championship boxing match won by Mike Tyson. Knight and Shakur went to the fight, as did members of the South Side Crips, prosecutor Mark DiGiacomo said last week in court. And Knight brought his entourage, which involved Mob Piru gang members. After the casino brawl, Knight drove a BMW with Shakur in the front passenger seat. The car was stopped at a red light near the Las Vegas Strip when a white Cadillac pulled up on the passenger side and gunfire erupted. Shot multiple times, Shakur died a week later at age 25. Knight was grazed by a bullet fragment. Davis has said he was in the front passenger seat of the Cadillac and handed a .40 caliber handgun to his nephew in the back seat, from which he said the shots were fired. In Nevada, a person can be convicted of murder for helping another person commit the crime. Among the 4 people in the Cadillac that night, Davis is the only one who is still alive. Anderson died in a May 1998 shooting in Compton. Before his death, Anderson denied involvement in Shakur's death. The other backseat passenger, DeAndre Big Dre or Freaky Smith, died in 2004. The driver, Terrence Bubble Up Brown, died in a 2015 shooting in Compton. Knight, now 58, is serving a 28-year prison sentence for running over and killing a Compton businessman outside a burger stand in January 2015. Sheriff Kevin McMahill, who oversees the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department, has acknowledged criticism that his agency was slow to investigate Shakur's killing. "That was simply not the case," McMahill said. He called the investigation important to this police department. Shakur's sister, Sekiwa Set Shakur, issued a statement describing the arrest as a pivotal moment but didn't praise authorities who investigated the case. "The silence of the past 27 years surrounding this case has spoken loudly in our community," she said. "He said what he said. He did what he did. And now it is what it is," Maprim Shakur, Tupac Shakur's stepbrother, said in a statement to the Associated Press. "This is a long process and there is more information that we need to see revealed for true justice."
Thank you for watching Hot News Network. We appreciate you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.